Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned derivative of parametric function. There were two function givens y and x, and we are going to find the derivative dy by dx using chain rule, which was equal to the dy by dt multiplied dt by dx. In today's video I am going to start a new exercise number 2.5 of question number 1 related with the topic implicit differentiation. What is implicit differentiation? If y is easily expressed in terms of a second variable which is independent variable x, so this will be called implicit differentiation. Or in simple word, we can also say that those equations in which a variable is given on one side and constant is given on the another side, so this type of differentiation will be called implicit differentiation. So in question number 1 there are total 6 parts, so let's move toward a question. It tells that use implicit differentiation to perform dy by dx. Part 1 is x square plus y square is equal to 25, find dy by dx. So move towards the solution for the part number A. Taking the given equation x square plus y square is equal to 25. Here in denominator we have a variable x, so it means that we will differentiate the whole equation with respect to x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x, so d by dx of this side, and also take the differentiation on the right hand side d by dx of 25. Here the differentiation of x square will be 2x, because power will come to the front and subtract 1 in the power according to the generalized power rule of differentiation. And here taking the derivative of y square, so using the same rule, 2 will come to the front and differentiate 1 in the power, it becomes just y. But remember, here the inner function is y, this is inner function, so here we will also write dy by dx because of the inner function, so dy by dx. Here x is not the inner function, that's why we just write 2x, and here it is inner function y, that's why we write dy by dx is equal to derivative. 25 is a constant, so you know that derivative of a constant is 0. Now after this, shift 2x to the right hand side, it becomes 2y dy by dx will comes same down, comes down the same 2y dy by dx, and 2x will comes to the right hand side, so it becomes negative 2x. Now divide both sides with 2y. So here 2 is cancelled out with 2, and here is 2 is cancelled out with 2. Y is cancelled out with y. Here on the left hand side we are left with dy by dx, which is equal to minus x divided by y. So this is the required derivative for the implicit differentiation for the part number A. Now move to part number B. A function is given xy which is equal to 25, find the derivative. Here x is multiplied with y, so first we are going to take d by dx on the both sides. So d by dx of xy will be equal to the d by dx of 25. Now after this, over here in this step, x and y is multiplied with each other, so it means that we will use the product rule of differentiation. First function derivative of the second function plus second function which is y and derivative of the first function which is x will be equal to the derivative of 25. It is a constant, so its derivative is 0. So after this, x dy by dx plus y derivative of x, you know that it is equal to 1. They will cancel it with each other, dx by dx. We are just left with 1 is equal to 0. Now after this, shift y to the right hand side, so it becomes x dy by dx will be equal to the shift to the right hand side, it becomes negative y. Now divide both sides with x. So on the left hand side x is cancelled with x, we are left with dy by dx is equal to negative y divided by x. This is the required derivative. Now move to part number C. xy multiplied 2x plus 3y will be equal to 2, find the derivative dy by dx. First we are going to multiply xy with 2x and 3y, so it becomes x multiply x, it gives us x square, and y multiply 2, it will give us 2y, so it becomes 2y into x square. After this plus 3y multiply xy, so it will give us 3x, and y multiply y gives us y square, so 3xy square will be equal to 2. Now after this, taking the derivative on the both sides, 2 is constant, so bring it to the front, so we will differentiate yx square, so dy dx of yx square. Here also take out 3 common because this is a constant, and take the derivative of xy square, so dy dx of xy square will be equal to the derivative of a constant 2. Now after this, over here we will use a product rule. So to multiply first function y, derivative of the second function x square, so derivative is 2x, plus second function x square and derivative of the first function dy by dx. After this, plus 3 times of, here we will also use generalized power rule. So x derivative of the second function y square will give us 2y, but here this is an inner function, so we will also write dy by dx over here. After this, plus y square derivative of the first function x is 1, so we will write just y square is equal to the derivative of a constant is 0. Now by simplification it becomes 2 multiply 2, it will give us 4xy, and after this multiply 4 with x square dy, so it gives us 4x square. Dy by dx can also be written as y prime, plus 3 multiply 2 gives us 6 and xy, so 6xy. After this, plus multiply the same 3 with y square, so it will over here it gives us 3 multiply 2 6xy dy by dx, so 6xy dy by dx can be written as y prime, plus 3y square will be equal to 0. Now after this step we will take out y dash common from over here, so inside we are left with 4x square, and here if I take out y dash common, we are left with 6xy, and after this shift 3y square and 4xy to the right hand side and take out negative common, so inside we are left with 3y square and here plus 4xy. Now after this, divide both sides with 4x square plus 6xy to get the required answer, 4x square plus 6xy. And this side here cancelled with each other, we are left with y dash. Y dash is actually equal to dy by dx, will be equal to the minus time of 3y square and plus 4xy divided by 4x square and plus 6xy. So this is the required derivative. Now move to part number B. X square plus 3xy plus y square is equal to 15. Find the derivative. So move towards solution. Taking the derivative d by dx on the both sides. So take d by dx on these terms separately. So d by dx of x square plus, over here 3 is a constant, so take it out common. Take it out common. We are taking the derivative on xy. So d by dx of xy plus d by dx of this variable y square will be equal to the d by dx of 15. Now after this d by dx of x square, we know that it is 2x. 2 will come to the front, subtract 1 in the power according to the generalized power rule of differentiation, plus 3 times of, here we will use a product rule of differentiation, first function x, derivative of the second function, so it becomes dy by dx. Dy by dx can be written as y prime, plus second function y, and derivative of this function gives us a value 1. After this plus d by dx of y square, you know that it will give us 2y according to the generalized power rule, and also y is an inner function, so it becomes dy by dx, which can be written as y dash, will be equal to d by dx of constant 15 is 0. Now after this it becomes 2x plus 3x y dash plus 3y plus 2y and y dash is equal to 0. Now take out y dash common. Inside we are left with 3x and here we are left with plus 2y. And after this 3y and 2x will come to the right hand side, so it becomes minus time of 2x and plus 3y. Now divide both sides with 3x and plus 2y, 3x plus 2y. So we are left with y dash can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus time of 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, and minus time 3x plus 2y. So this is the required derivative. Now move toward part number E. X plus y whole cube plus 3y is equal to 3. Find derivative. So taking d by dx on the whole equation, so d by dx of x plus y whole cube plus 3 times of taking d by dx on this function y, so it becomes dy by dx will be equal to the d by dx on the right hand side, which is 3. Now after this, over here we will use the generalized power rule first. 3 will comes to the front and subtract 1 in the power, it becomes x plus y whole square. Now after this, x plus y is an inner function, so also take the derivative of this inner function d by dx of x plus y. Plus 3 dy by dx, it can be written as 3 y prime, because dy by ds can be written as y prime, will be equal to the derivative of 3 is the constant, so derivative is 0. Now after this 3 times of x plus y whole square, now the derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y will be dy by dx, so because this is an inner function we cannot differentiate it, plus 3y dash will be equal to 0. Now after this 3 times of x plus y whole square multiply 1 plus dy by ds can be written as 1 prime plus 3y dash is equal to 0. Now after this take out or we can be written as 3 multiply x plus y whole square multiply 1 gives us 3 into x plus y whole square, and plus 3 into x plus y whole square multiply y dash can be written as 3y dash into x plus y whole square. 3y dash into x plus y whole square and plus 3y dash will be equal to 0. Now shift 3 into x plus y square to the right hand side, so it becomes 3y dash into x plus y whole square plus 3y dash will be equal to shift 3x plus y whole square to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3 times of x plus y whole square. Divide both side with 3y dash with 3 it both side with 3, just 3. So 3 is cancelled out with each other, we are left with y dash. Now take out y dash, come on inside, we are left with x plus y whole square, and inside we take out y dash, come on, we are just left with 1. And on the right hand side we are left with minus time of x plus y whole square. Now we are interested in y dash, so divide both sides with x plus y whole square plus 1, x plus y whole square plus 1, x plus y whole square plus 1. Now on this side they are cancelled out with each other, we are left with y dash, which can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus time of x plus y whole square divided by x plus y whole square and plus 1. So this is the required derivative. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about exercise number 2.5 differentiation FSC part 2 mathematics. Thank you.